Hello, class 12th computer science students. I am Atul Gupta and today we discuss list programming. So, program is write a program to accept list elements from the user and print sum of even and odd elements of list. For example, if list elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then display sum of even elements is 20 and odd elements is 16. So solve this problem. First we accept list of elements from the user and then check each element even or odd. If number is even, then this number is added in a separate variable, and if number is odd, then this type of numbers are added in separate variable. So there are two different variables, even and odd. Even variable add all the even elements, and odd variable add up all the odd elements of list. And we know very well how to check a number is even or odd. If a number is divisible by 2, then number is even, and if the number is not divisible by 2, then this type of number is odd number. Now we start program code. First statement, list equal to eval input enter list elements. First we take elements of list from the user which is stored in list, and two variables, even sum equal to 0 and odd sum equal to 0. Both elements variables are initialized by 0. Even sum variable contains all the even elements, and odd sum variable contain all the odd values. Now next statement, length equal to len list. This statement finds the length of list, and number of elements, total number of elements are stored in length variable. Now to access all the list elements we use a for loop. Now this for loop is executed by I variable, and range is 0 to length, that is length minus 1. Now first value of I is 0. This range is represent indexing of list, and index of list is always start from 0 to length minus 1. Suppose this is list of elements, and index of this list is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of elements is 8. So index start from 0 to length minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7. Now first element access I is 0. So index is 0. So we check first element even or odd. Now enter inside the loop body. Condition is if list of I, that is 0, list of 0, first element is divisible by 2 and remainder is 0, then this is even number. So check list of 0 is 1. 1 mod to 0, no, condition is false, then control transfer to else part, and odd sum equal to odd sum plus list of I, that is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 is assigned in odd sum. Now control transfer to next index. Now index is 1. So I is 1. Check if list of 1, that is list of 1 is 2. 2 mod 2 equal to 0. Yes, remainder is 0. Then this is even number. Then control inside the if body, even sum equal to even sum plus list of 1, that is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 is assigned to even sum, so even sum value is 2. Now this process is continue until the list are not over, and then after the list over, control transfer to outside the loop and display print sum of even elements is even sum, and next statement print sum of odd elements is odd sum. Even sum variable contain all the even elements sum, and odd sum variable contain all the odd elements sum. So finally display even element sum is even sum and odd element sum is odd sum. This is the concept of sum of even and odd elements of list. Now output is look like is enter list elements. If user enter 253817, it is not compulsory to enter elements in a order, that is ascending or descending order. Elements are random, that is it may be in order or not in order. So sum of even elements is 10 and sum of odd elements is 16. Now this program code run on the system. Now program code on the system is look like as. Now run this code, press F5. This is output window and show statement enter list elements. Now user enter list of elements 1, 3, 8, 4, 2, 7. Now press enter. Sum of even elements of list is 14 and sum of odd elements of list is 11. This is the output of the given code.